Hey everyone, today we will see some things you forgot to design probably as a beginner, because there are many things we don't know that they even exist or we don't remember them while doing a project. And when we don't design any screen, developer has to do all the work and the page literally looks very ugly. So make sure you don't do that mistakes. First page is 404 error page. It's just a page when the website is not found. We just show that it mainly contains illustration and 404 text and a call to action button like go back to home. Next thing is the welcome email. Whenever someone sign up with an email account, if he or she is signing up with a phone number or any attached account, then we don't need to send them email. But if they are signing up with the email account, then we need to send them a welcome email. In that email you can literally tell us anything about the company or the product. Next thing is help and support screen. Now in this screen we don't actually need to add the contacts to chat with some human being. You can literally add the tips if you want, like how to use the product or anything in that. Like on Instagram, if you want to delete your account or deactivate account, many people don't know how to do that. So you can go to the Instagram help and support page and search for that particular thing, and you will find a related article to that. And if you are having a one-to-one chat feature, then it's awesome. You can do that, or you can even add a bot to this. It's not a hard thing to develop it. There are pre-made libraries for that. Next thing is terms and conditions page. It is one of the most important page, otherwise you will be in a legal problem. So make sure you add that too. Now next thing is web browser Favicon. Now it's just a small icon, or you can say logo, which is visible on the tab of the web browser, and it is also used if you install your website as an application. Like there is an option in your browser, install as application, or in smartphone there is an option called add to home screen. Then this favicon is used as the launcher icon, or you can say logo. Not a hard thing to develop. You just have to resize the logo and make some changes if required. Now next thing is onboarding screen. Now these things are important because when we complete them, they make us feel like we have accomplished something when we enter the application finally. And one important thing is they should not be boring, like you're just adding text to it. You don't have any images or illustration. You should make them feel like what they will experience in the application. You don't have to add too much, but it should have some features of the application. Now the next thing is default avatar profile. Whenever you have a profile section, you need to create these default avatars. Now they don't need to be fancy like these one. You can keep them simple, like simple, literally a circle and a body with a cutted circle. Now next thing is app store preview screen, or you can say play store preview screens. And this is very important for the new user or whenever you are updating something, because it gives an insight about what is changed in the application or what is inside the application. And they should be crystal clear, like we do this in application. Here are all 8 things. You can take a screenshot of this if you have not noted them.